How to use AI for writing and creating professional emails. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to talk about the use of AI for writing and creating professional emails. More specifically, I'll cover number 1, how AI writing actually works. 2, 3 common modes to use AI for writing. 3, using AI for professional emails. 3-step framework. 4, key takeaways and free course links in the description below. According to McKinsey's study, professionals spend an average of 28% of their working weeks managing and writing emails, over 11 hours per week. AI tool can reduce first draft writing time by up to 50%. Stop spending 20 minutes or more on an email that just take about 3 minutes. Writing is one of the tasks where AI gives you the most immediate and measurable return. Most people are still not using it. Don't ask me why. This video is not just about replacing your voice, it's about removing friction. You decide what to say. AI help you say it faster. Good question. Do you currently use AI for any writing task at all? It could be work-related, personal, or professional purposes. Type yes or no or sometime in the comments before we go further. Do you know how AI writing actually works? There are 3 modes commonly. Most people only use one. All 3 are worth knowing. Mode 1, generate from scratch. You provide context and AI produce first draft. Mode 2, improve existing text. You paste in something you have already written. Ask AI to make it clearer, more professional, precise, and more persuasive. This is the most underused mode and often the most powerful. Mode 3, brainstorm. You have a writing task ahead of you and no idea where to start. Ask AI, what should I cover in a report about a specific matter? Use AI as a thinking partner before you write. Tell me, which of those 3 modes do you think would be most useful for you right now? Type 1, 2, or 3. Generate, improve, or brainstorm. Now we will look at using AI for professional emails, where most people will get their first real win with their writing. Here is 3-step framework that works. Step 1, state the situation. For example, you may write, I need to email a client who has not paid an invoice, which is 3 weeks overdue. The relationship is important and I want to stay professional. Step 2, specify the tone. Polite but firm. Not to be apologetic. Make it clear that payment is now required. Step 3, set the format. Under 120 words, no bullet points, ending with a clear call to action, a payment deadline. Feed those 3 things to any AI tool and you will have a professional draft in under 10 seconds. You then spend your time refining, not starting from scratch. Same process works for apology emails, request emails, follow-ups, rejection letters, welcome messages, and complaint response, etc. Think of one email and try. Would this 3-step process help? Here is an activity for you. Choose one of these right now. Paste the most recent email into an AI tool and ask it to improve the clarity and tone. Or pick an email you need to write this week and follow 3-step framework. Drop in the comments what you tried, whether it saved time. We are coming to the end of this session. Here are the key takeaways. 1. AI writing works in 3 modes. Generate from scratch, improve existing text, and brainstorm structure. 2. For emails, provide the situation, tone, and format, and get a professional first draft in under 10 seconds. 3. To keep your voice, give AI example of your previous writing as a style reference. I mentioned some free resources in the description below. Subscribe for the next videos, how to search or use AI for research. Remember, learn it today, build it today, and lead on it tomorrow. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.